Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Robert shipped us his Ultra from Texas to do, we were originally supposed to do either stage 3 or stage 4. Ended up going with a stage 5. After we had the bike, went over it. He said he wanted the loudest, cleanest, with the most space possible while maintaining the stock look. So we ended up going with 10s in the bag, sealed and ported, nothing in the lids. We did the adapters for the water-cooled lowers. We ran with Cicada CH, 6.5s in the fairing and the lowers, and Hertz SX 165 in the tour pack pods. We ran everything with a Sound Digital Evo X2 1200.4 in the fairing, HCAM mini DSP, factory radio flashed, and RT harness, and then we did a 3000.1 in the tour pack. Bike looks completely stock. You can't tell we touched it, obviously, until he turns it on. Braille lithium battery upgrade. Great fit and finish. So he shipped us the bike. He flew in the other day to take a listen to it. Loved it. Gave everything 2 thumbs up. Flew back home the same day. And the bike's being picked up next week. Thank you for trusting us, Robert. Check out the build. It came out pretty nice.
out front.
Last night, people protesting in Minneapolis escalated as demonstrators were lashed by tear gas and rubber bullets.
The main message here is that they want to see those officers involved.
They want to see those officers arrested.
Trade my 4x4 for a GC3, ain't no more feeling street. I give them chance again, I even told them freeze. I find it crazy the police will shoot you and know that you dead but still tell you to freeze. Fucked up, I seen what I seen. I guess that mean hold them down if you say you can't breathe. It's too many mothers just grieving, they killing us for no reason. Been going on for too long to get even. Throwing some cages like dogs and hyenas. I went to court and they sent me to prison. My mama was quick when they said I can't leave. First I was drunk and I sobered up quick when I heard all that time that they gave it to leave. He got
say she from the H-Town. I say my name is Drizzy, and ain't nobody realer. Cup inside a cup, smoking ghost face killer. Got these poppers going crazy, nigga, I'm the man. I sent your girl a message, said I see you when I can. She sent me one back, but I ain't never read it. Cause pussy's only pussy, and I get it when I need it. And I'm telling you I'm
coldest when I'm down in the winter. And I'll be riding rails with my tires in the thinner. Airports.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Robert shipped us the bike, his brand new bike, from Texas for us to do the audio. He flew in to listen to it. Are you completely happy with the way it sounds?
So satisfied, completely satisfied, yes sir.
It was worth the trip?
Yes sir, definitely, I'll do it again.
Thank you, I appreciate it.